Once upon a time, in a cozy little kitchen far from Taiwan, a young girl named Lily set out to teach her friends and family the art of making Tainan's traditional Puff Biscuits. With the sweet aroma of spices wafting through the air, Lily gathered her loved ones and began the culinary adventure. Today, Lily announced, "We will travel to Tainan with our taste buds." She cheerfully presented the ingredients, carefully laid out like colorful paints on an artist's palette. With cake flour and all-purpose flour as our canvas, Lily instructed, "First, we must prepare the dough." She guided her friends to gradually blend the flours with boiling water, stirring as if coaxing a gentle river. Once the sugar, sesame oil, and a pinch of salt joined the dance, a splash of cold water brought it all together into a soft, pliable dough. "Let it rest," Lily advised with a twinkle in her eye. Next came the filling, a delicious concoction of toasted glutinous rice flour and brown sugar powder. Like a fairy tale spell, they toasted the flour until it released a comforting fragrance, then mixed it with black sesame oil. Lily urged patience, adding just enough water to bind it into a lovely, moist ball. If the potion turned too runny, a cool place in the fridge would calm it. Now for the fun part. Lily's friends eagerly shaped their dough and filling into little logs, slicing 7 tiny globes from each. "Imagine," Lily said with a smile, "little moons in your hands." With gentle care, they flattened each dough ball, placing the sweet filling right at its heart. Then they sealed and molded the biscuits into smooth discs, rolling each one into a perfect round. Lily mimed the rolling action, her hands quick and sure, drawing laughter from her pupils. Just before the biscuits journeyed to the oven, Lily pulled out a little bottle of food coloring and a stamp. "Decorate with a traditional stamp or a hint of red," she giggled. "They should look as festive as they taste." Into the preheated oven they went, nestled side by side. Lily instructed a close watch on their timing. In 12 to 15 minutes, they would puff up like a magic trick under the 200 degrees Celsius heat. It was essential not to let their golden dreams turn too dark. Lily reminded everyone of ingredient substitutes, as not all kitchens held the same treasures. "If you can't find glutinous rice flour, any rice flour will do," she reassured, offering wisdom that spread smiles all around. And when the sweet little puffs were done, tales from Tainan filled the room, spoken through taste rather than words. As Lily and her loved ones savored the warm, crispy delights, tradition wrapped them in comfort and joy. "See," Lily beamed as the journey reached its end. "A slice of Tainan is only a kitchen away." Under the cheerful twinkle lights, the shared creation lay testament to love and culture.